NVIDIA stands as a titan in the world of technology. Their graphics processing units, or GPUs, have revolutionized gaming. But, beyond entertainment, NVIDIA's impact extends to artificial intelligence, data centers, and professional visualization. The company consistently pushes the boundaries of what's possible, empowering industries and individuals with cutting-edge tools. NVIDIA's journey is a testament to the power of vision and innovation. From their humble beginnings, they have risen to become a global leader. Their relentless pursuit of excellence has earned them a reputation for delivering exceptional products. NVIDIA's unwavering commitment to research and development fuels its continuous growth, allowing them to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. NVIDIA's influence is evident in the countless applications that rely on its technology. From self-driving cars to medical imaging, NVIDIA's GPUs are essential, providing the computational power needed for complex tasks. As we enter an era defined by AI and data-driven insights, NVIDIA's role becomes even more critical. They are the driving force behind the next generation of technological advancements. NVIDIA consistently enhances its products to provide users with the best possible experience. Their dedication to improvement is evident in their latest driver releases and GeForce Experience updates. These updates optimize performance, introduce new features, and ensure seamless compatibility with the latest games and applications. For gamers, NVIDIA's game-ready drivers are essential. These drivers are meticulously tuned to deliver the highest frame rates and smoothest gameplay. They undergo rigorous testing to ensure optimal performance with the latest game releases. Each driver update often includes optimizations tailored to specific games. This level of dedication ensures gamers can enjoy the latest titles to their fullest potential. GeForce Experience, NVIDIA's companion software, further enhances the user experience. It offers a suite of features designed to optimize gaming and system settings. Gamers can easily capture and share their gameplay highlights. GeForce Experience also simplifies the process of keeping drivers up to date, ensuring users always have access to the latest performance enhancements and features. Beyond gaming, NVIDIA's drivers and software updates benefit professionals across industries. Architects, designers, and engineers rely on NVIDIA's professional-grade GPUs for their work. These updates ensure optimal performance and stability for demanding applications. Whether it's 3D rendering or video editing, NVIDIA empowers professionals to push the boundaries of creativity and productivity. NVIDIA's AI expertise extends beyond gaming and professional applications. They are at the forefront of developing AI-powered solutions that are transforming various industries. In cybersecurity, NVIDIA's AI is being used to detect and prevent threats with unprecedented accuracy. Their AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify anomalies and potential attacks, bolstering defenses against increasingly sophisticated cyber attacks. NVIDIA's AI is also making significant strides in healthcare. Their platform is accelerating drug discovery, enabling researchers to develop new treatments more efficiently. AI-powered medical imaging is improving diagnostic accuracy, leading to earlier detection and better patient outcomes. NVIDIA's AI is revolutionizing healthcare, paving the way for a future of personalized medicine and improved well-being. NVIDIA's commitment to ethical AI development is paramount in their approach. They prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability in their AI solutions. NVIDIA understands the transformative potential of AI. They are dedicated to ensuring its responsible development and deployment for the benefit of humanity. NVIDIA's consistent financial success reflects its position as a technological leader. Their strong revenue growth and profitability demonstrate the high demand for their products and services across various sectors. Investors recognize NVIDIA's potential for continued growth, making it a highly valued company in the stock market. The company's financial stability empowers it to invest heavily in research and development. This commitment to innovation ensures that NVIDIA remains at the forefront of technological advancements. Their ability to adapt to evolving market demands and anticipate future trends has been key to their sustained success. NVIDIA's financial performance is not merely about numbers. It represents the company's positive impact on the world. Their technology enables countless industries to innovate and grow, creating jobs and driving economic progress. NVIDIA's financial success is a testament to their ability to create value for their customers, shareholders, and society as a whole. NVIDIA's vision extends beyond its current offerings. The company is deeply invested in shaping the future of technology. They are actively involved in developing the metaverse, a collective virtual shared space that blends the physical and digital worlds. NVIDIA's Omniverse platform is paving the way for the metaverse, enabling creators, developers, and enterprises to build and connect immersive 3D worlds. NVIDIA recognizes the importance of sustainability in technological advancement. They are committed to reducing their environmental footprint and promoting sustainable practices throughout their operations. NVIDIA's efforts include designing energy-efficient products, minimizing waste, and supporting initiatives that promote environmental responsibility. NVIDIA's vision for the future is one where technology empowers people to achieve more than ever before. Their unwavering commitment to innovation, coupled with their sense of social responsibility, positions them as a driving force for positive change in the world. NVIDIA's journey is a testament to the transformative power of technology. From revolutionizing gaming to advancing AI and shaping the metaverse, NVIDIA has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Their unwavering commitment to innovation has propelled them to the forefront of the tech industry, earning them a reputation for excellence and impact. NVIDIA's legacy extends beyond its technological achievements. Their dedication to ethical AI development, sustainability, and social responsibility demonstrates their understanding of the profound impact technology has on the world. As we venture further into an era defined by artificial intelligence, data-driven insights, and interconnected experiences, NVIDIA stands as a beacon of innovation, guiding us towards a future filled with possibilities. Their story is an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs, visionary leaders, and anyone who dares to dream big. NVIDIA's relentless pursuit of excellence serves as a reminder that the only limit to human ingenuity is the scope of our imagination. As NVIDIA continues to shape the technological landscape, we can look forward to a future where innovation knows no bounds and the power of technology is harnessed for the betterment of humanity.